Uh, with respect to the vocabulary, I think being multilingual is pretty helpful for me because I have a French background, so it's closely related to Latin than English. So when I study science, especially related to medicine, like anatomy and physiology, the term really, I understand the meaning of the prefix and suffix. So if you understand the term, the definition of the prefix and the suffix, you can understand the word easily. For examples, just like the terms anterolaterals, so the prefix is just enter and the suffix is just laterals. So in French, it's just like antérieur, latérales. So then you know that the first part will be in front and the last part, the suffix will be the definition is side. So the whole word is just in the front and to the side. If you study about anatomy, you will know that it's in the front and to the side. So you don't really have to remember the term because just looking at the word, you know what it really means. Another example is just in chemistry, the term iron in English, you call it iron, and then the symbol start with Fe, which doesn't make sense. For example, if it is calcium, it starts with Ca, the symbols, but then for irons, it starts with Fe instead of Ir because the term is related to friends, like the term fer, which means that irons from France. So I find that knowing another language can really helpful to understand those terms, especially the term in science. Yes. And talking about the prefix and suffix, for tutors, I recommend both tutor and tutees looking up the term together because it's more like an active learning. So it will be easier to remember the thing when you really do it by yourself instead of having the tutor just give you the definition. So it's helpful to looking for the prefix and suffix. And in general, for science class on internet, there are like a lot of lists of prefix and suffix. So you can just looking up the list together and get a copy of those. It will be very helpful to refer back when they encounter other terms with the prefix and suffix.